Hello lovelies and welcome to my channel. I'm Truly Tara and here I do unboxings, reviews, this, that, and the other. So I just want to say sorry, it's been a long December. It's just been kind of crazy. I've had a sick kid this past week and it's just been a little rough, patch, but I don't know if it's the cold, and it's not even, we don't have snow, and I think that does bother me. If it's going to be cold, I want it to snow. Like, when it's just cold and rainy and gross, I don't know. But, okay, today we have Allure, so, and subscribe, comment, share, that whole thing, and let's unbox this. So, when I first, picked this up, I was like, wow, this is heavy. I had to go back and look and make sure I didn't order something. But this is the subscription box for December. So let's get into it. And I guess the reason that it is so heavy, which that's not really that heavy, this is the Billy Cool Blue Starter Kit. I don't know a lot about this at all. I have kind of seen it advertised on their site. So let's check it out. All right. So it says, you're this close to the softest, smoothest skin. And you get a razor. And backup sticky stuff. Oh, okay. Okay, so you got a razor, and then you have for your magnetic holder, I guess it's the, I don't know, maybe it's a backup to that. I don't know. We'll see. We'll find out. But you get another razor, and so that's cool. I'm always down to try a new razor. I really like Truly's razors. I really liked the razor that you got with the Ipsy stuff. But I've mainly been using Truly, so so the blade, the key to a good shave, changing your blade. The holder, your razor comes with its own magnetic throne, fancy. Remove paper from the back of the putty. Press firmly onto a clean, dry shower wall. Ta-da! Changing your blade. And I mean, then it gives you instructions. You don't need to know all of the instructions. So, I mean, that's cool. So it is a 5-blade razor, because that's kind of important to know. All right, so next we have Heritage Store Rosewater and Glycerine. So far, I've 290 songs. Let's see if you know what they are. I'm sure one you probably know because literally I just said it, but there's another song that I mentioned in the very beginning. Okay, so next we have Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. I already have this. I've already tried it. It is a good cream. I have so many creams that, I don't know what's doing what, but in all honesty, that Decorte, that has been my favorite. So, all right. Next we have Head and Hair Heal Booster Mask. Okay. Let's go ahead and open it and see what we got. I don't know if I'm smelling my nails, because I did just paint my nails. I want to say that it's a peachy scent. Yeah, it's like peach and nail polish. So, all right. Your $100 wine voucher. I so need to try that. Okay, so next we have Aquaphor, which Aquaphor is some really good stuff, especially if you have itching, dry skin. This is advanced therapy. Repair dry skin and restore soft, smooth, healthy looking skin on hands and cuticles in just 10 minutes. So it's like gloves that you put on. And I remember my daughter, she broke out. For the longest time, we couldn't get it worked out. And Aquaphor is what finally did it. Okay, so next, ooh, we have Pixie. Pixie Rose Radiance Reflector. Interesting. I do not know what this is. I know what Pixie is, but I don't know what this is. I'm going to mess up my nails already. Here we go. Like, I started to do a video, and, like, I just seen, like, my nails were all ganked up. Like, they were half done and half not. And I was like, nope, nope, not doing that again. Okay. So, I don't, it's a radiance booster. So, is that a cream? None of this stuff has, like, any kind of, safety things on them, which that was in a box, but so I mean, I don't know. I'm gonna have to find out. Like, is it a okay? Rose infused complexion enhancer creates a soft focus glow to give the skin an even radiant finish. I mean, I think stuff like this is really good. Like if you tan or you just don't wear makeup, like you don't, you know, have to wear makeup, but you put something like this on and it helps your, you know, what's the word I'm looking for? It helps your, I don't know, skin look better. There's a word, it's not coming to me. Okay, so next we have the Rael Beauty Miracle Patch. So is it just one patch? Ideal for on the surface spots. Okay. I'm curious. Oh, it says, oh, 24. Okay, so there's 24 patches in there. All right. And that's it. So, okay, so let's see. The Pixie and Rose Radiance Perfector is $18. The head and hair heal booster is $9.90. The Billy razor is $10. The patch covers are $12.99. And that is, what, no, because the Elemis, there, okay. The Elemis is $93 for 30 mils. Wow. I know I have another one of these, but it's a lot. I think it's bigger. I think it's a bigger size. And I got it from Ipsy, I'm pretty sure. And yes, that is it. So that was a pretty good box. I'm still really enjoying Allure. And Haiku Barbie, please, I have not forgot about you. You and Nicole, I need to get your stuff out. But I haven't forgot you. And after we get Christmas done and over with, and like I promise you, in January we're gonna start doing giveaways and stuff again. Like just how I mentioned the 2 songs, like I would like to be like, I'm gonna give away something if you get the 2 songs that I said, and I might do that. I don't know. I just don't want to promise it. So if you do know the 2 songs that like I said, you know, without, does it make sense what I'm saying? Like I said 2 names of 2 songs, and let's just see if you know what they are. They're 2 90s songs. One's easy, one's a little bit harder. It just depends on if you know your 90s music well. All right, I am gonna shut up, and I'll see y'all in the next. Bye.